Hello and welcome to new tutorial video from Haltdos. Today we will see how to apply geo-filtering using Haltdos WAF. First we need to log in to Haltdos WAF, then we will go to listener and select the one for which you want to apply geo-filtering, or you can just create a new listener for which you want to apply geo-filtering for. Then you need to go into your current profile, where you will get the option for geo-filtering. So now we have three different options for applying geo-filtering. So starting from the first we have blacklisted country. This field provides the facility of blocking the geographical location on the specified listener. Suppose we enter China in here and save it. So now any user sitting in China trying to access nasco.com will not be able to access it. In case we want to block multiple countries, then just add the list of countries. For example, if we enter China, Pakistan, and Bangladesh in this field, any user having IP of these countries will not be able to access nasco.com. And we can also whitelist some particular country by just adding not prefix before country. Suppose you need to blacklist all countries except India, so you can just enter not India instead of adding all country except India. So now only user with Indian IP can access nasco.com. Moving on, we have option for whitelisted IP prefixes, where provided IP ranges will be permanently allowed to access the website. For example, we put 103.15.4.0/24 and 155.23.5.0/24, so now any user having these IP prefixes will allow to access the website. We can also apply negate IP prefix by just adding tilde operator at the beginning as we did in the previous option. Next we have blacklist IP prefixes option, where provided IP ranges are permanently blocked from accessing the website. You can put any number of IP prefixes in these two fields. This was all for this video. For more videos on how to configure Haltdos WAF, stay tuned.